Hi, this is Dr. Numal Seth. I am an MDS in Conservative and Endodontics. I am here to introduce the new sterilization unit that sterilizes the small instruments that are used in dentistry. Quest Dental product have come up with the new concept of sterilizing instruments chairside, that is in the operatory itself, in a very short period of time. It works on the principle of UV radiation. SteriFast is designed especially for small instruments used in dentistry like endodontic files, burrs, matrices and wedges, scalar tips, parts of implants like keys, lab analogs, etc. Orthodontic materials like orthodontic bands, wires, etc. And as a manufacturer, we also recommend disinfection of impression trays, impression surfaces, dentures and many more. Now I would explain the procedure of using SteriFast. Now I would explain first three steps of sterilization, that is pre-cleaning, soaking, cleaning and drying. So this is the specialized strainer for holding the instruments. The instruments like files and burrs are placed inside. You can see I am placing the instruments inside the strainer. This is the bowl where you have to place any kind of multi-enzyme, either glutaraldehyde or many more multi-enzymes are available in market. Then this slides in and out, so filling and emptying of this bowl is easy. Then you have to dip the instruments inside. You can see the instruments are getting dipped. This is pre-cleaning, soaking. After soaking, there comes cleaning. So for cleaning, either manual or ultrasonic cleaning, whichever is comfortable for the dentist. After the cleaning is done, this has to be dried. So this bowl has to be emptied and then it can be placed down. This can be placed down like this, and this has to be allowed to dry. Now here the special thing about SteriFast is the instrument is getting dried and it is getting drained inside the bowl itself. So there is no hassle or no separate space for required for drying the instruments. Now once the instruments are dried, then there is a specialized stand for files and burrs. Here you can see there is a hole which goes through and through. Here files can be placed, and in the space where the holes are not through and through, like this, here the burrs has to be placed. This is being placed like this. You can place the files inside where the holes are through and through, and there is specialized size of holes for aerotor burrs as well as micromotor burrs. So now comes, after drying, comes placement of the burrs and files on the specialized stand. After this, it has to be placed inside the SteriFast, inside the given UV chamber. There is a special way of placing the stand inside. It has to be holded, the fingers has to be holded from inside, has to be placed parallel and then gradually slided down. Done. Then close the lid, switch on the light. You can see from the window the light is on, and wait for 5 minutes and it's done. Apart from files and burrs, a few other instruments like scalar tips, impression trays, impression surfaces and orthodontic bands, brackets or other things can be placed directly on top of this given stand. Say for example impression tray, this I am placing directly on the top of given stand. Then again comes the same procedure, open it, hold it from inside, put it parallel, glide it down, turn on the light, wait for 5 minutes, The total sterilization time period for all the small instruments is 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the sterilization is done.